Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm so excited to share with everyone our new user interface for the HawkSite.co product, specifically with the HawkTest page. So let's get started. So you just have to go to the HawkTest page. If you click it, you'll see that we have this new user interface available. So from the top left, you'll see you can set your ticker. By default, we set it to Tesla now. So this is a conditional default. So for US equities, it's Tesla. For example, for crypto as well, it's going to be Bitcoin, and Forex, it's going to be the top pair, right? And so if you want to change your ticker, you still have to click Tesla, and then you just click on this drop down, and you can still change it. But let's stick to the default Tesla for now. You'll see that we also set 1 year as the investment period. That's the default. But you can also change it by clicking. You'll see 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or you have your custom time period as well below. In terms of initial cash, we set it to 100K, just like before, but you can change that with just a simple click, and then you can change it with a slider. In terms of the advanced settings, the rightmost 3 dots, if you click it, you'll see you can set the usual advanced settings, which is the monthly cash flow, the trading fee percentage, if you want to set that, allow short, and the overlay price and indicator plots. And then lastly, you'll see that in the trade strategy, you'll see that you have the usuals. This used to be a drop-down, but now it's just a select box where the unselected strategies are grayed out. It's buy and hold by default, but you can change it to RSI, EMAC, SMAC, MACD, Bollinger Band, custom strategy, and the recommended strategy as well. So everything is still supported just like before. It's just shown differently now. And the goal of this really was to make it easier for beginners to just use the platform quickly. So let's say you go to simple moving average crossover. You'll notice that you can go straight to clicking analyze or set alerts. And you'll notice that it doesn't show the parameters at first. So the way the workflow works now is that you just click analyze first if you want to see the results. But if you want to change the parameters for the simple moving average crossover, you can just scroll down and you can change the parameters here, as you can see. Something new as well is that you'll see that there's a new summary strategy table. It now has color coding, so it's green if it's positive, it's red if it's negative. So naturally, max drawdown is red all the time. Total return is green if it's positive, and same whether it's a percentage or an absolute value, and final portfolio value just stays black. You'll also notice that the buy and hold return is also shown there with the verses, just to make it more clear that it's a benchmark return, right? So you can see if you scroll down, you'll see that the usual plots are here, so nothing really changed there. So yeah, so that's basically it. All the other features are pretty much the same as well. So for example, you can click your optimize button, and it's able to run the range, and you can click analyze for that, and it should be quite similar. Yeah, so as you can see, with the optimize feature, it ran the iterations, and it did it properly. And you'll see that the top strategy is 2510, so that's what we're used to. So that's for the optimize strategy feature. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do this with any of the other strategies. You can use the custom strategy just like before. You can set your own rules just like before. So you have let's say you want to do a simple moving average crossover with custom strategy. You can also do that. It's exactly the same kind of flow. So if you click analyze, you'll see the loading screen is in the bottom as well. And as you can see, these are the results. See, so it's basically the same thing, except the UI is supposed to be nicer. Please do give us feedback. Would super appreciate it. If you go to recommended strategy, it's a similar kind of flow. Because the loading time is a bit longer there, I won't show everyone, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Lastly, I just want to show a simple buy and hold. As you can see, you can't set an alert for a buy and hold because there's no alert to set. But yeah, pretty much the result is similar as well. Yeah. So yeah, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for listening, and keen to get your feedback on this new UI for the HawkTest page. Thanks so much.